So good afternoon everyone. I am going to talk about some of the most significant advanced English words today. So without taking too much time, let's start this video. By the way, if you want one can speak the fluency English, then these are words most important for all of you. So hey guys, without taking too much time, let's start this video. Let's talk about number first. What is mean of the enhance? Enhancement is a very simple to improve, increase, or or making something better. For instance, education enhancing knowledge, because the so many students are not recalling this example because this example is some difficult for everyone. So you can also say in a simple way, education improve knowledge. The enhancement is a very simple improve. And next talk about what is mean of the evident. Evident mean a very simple, clear, and such example, it is evident that the student who speak English without hard work have worked hard. And you can also say it is evident nothing is possible without hard work. And next talk about what is mean of the enthusiastic. What is mean of the enthusiastic? Enthusiastic mean is a very simple, excited. You can also say excited. Such example, many students are enthusiastic about enhancing their English skill. And next talk about what is mean of the exceptional. What is mean of the exceptional? What is mean of the exceptional? Exceptional mean is a very simple, extraordinary, and outstanding, much better than usual. Such example, one day I will do something exceptional in the world. And next talk about what is mean of the exaggerate. Exaggerate mean is a very simple. What is mean of the exaggerate? Exaggerate mean is a overstated, and you can also say in Hindi बढ़ा चढ़ा कर कहना. So for instance, I I I don't to want exaggerate in this lecture. And next talk about what is mean of the feasible. What is mean of the feasible? Feasible mean is a very simple possible. So such example, this question is feasible for me. And next talk about what is a mean of the fortune. Fortune mean is our luck. You can also say this is a very simple example for all of you. I don't believe fortune, believe hard work. And next word, exhaustive. Exhaustive. What is mean of the exhaustive? Exhaustive mean is a very simple, extremely beautiful. Such example, English is truly an exhaustive language. And next talk about what is mean of the abundant. Abundant mean is a very simple. Such examples, there is a lot water in the pond. So friends, if you uh, if you are thinking one day I can speak the fluency English, so you can also say these are words are playing a very important role behind your communication and behind your journey. First of all, you should remember this topic so that you can speak the fluency English you in front of me and in front of the teacher, etc. So first of all I want to say something about these word. These words are most important for all of you. So you can also say you can also say it is extremely nothing is possible without hard work. You will do hard work in your future, so that you can do anything whatever you want in the society, because I am always support for all of you. So thank you very much, very interest. Thank you.